Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching today's video. Today we're talking about a mask that can help to thicken your hair and change your hair follicles. We are talking about bhringraj and coffee. Bhringraj is known in the Indian community, which helps to thicken the hair, change the hair follicles from the roots. Yes, helps to fight dandruff, helps to strengthen your hair. And also we have Nescafe. Nescafe is known to change your hair density. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to fight dandruff. It helps to create shine on your hair. So this mask actually promotes hair growth. So in case you're looking for something to transform your hair like within a short period of time, you can actually try this mask. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. Thank you very much. I'll be mixing this mask with fermented rice water. Yes, fermented rice water. And it's a very simple method. All you just do is mix your bhringraj and your Nescafe together and stir it up with bhringraj till it becomes a paste. Yes. So you can see me here trying to make sure that the paste becomes the mass the paste, yeah, before it becomes a mass, becomes easy to use, so that it not cause particles and don't have these lumps in it. So trying to make sure it comes as a smooth paste, that I find me mixing. This measurement is actually very simple. I used a few spoons because I was just working on the root of my hair. So it depends on your hair. It depends on your hair, the length and the thickness of your hair. If your hair is, you just know how to mention your hair. So I added olive oil to it, just to for it to create more shine, for it to add more shine to the hair. Yes, you can actually add coconut oil or you can add castor oil, but I prefer to use olive oil for this mix. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, remember to do subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and please do share. Thank you very much. So you still find me trying to make a paste from the bhringraj and the coffee powder. After a while, after mixing it for a short while, I covered it up. I don't have clean film nylon, so yes, I don't have clean film nylon, so I used a nylon bag and I covered it up for like 4 hours, so that the mix will come out well. This is me trying to apply the mask to the root of my hair. See, you can see how you can see that it came out as a very nice paste. I don't know why I was smelling it, but I was just trying to know if it has a very smell before I apply it to my hair, but I know it doesn't, because this is not my first time of applying to my hair. I don't use the scalp to the root of my hair. Yes, to the root, to the scalp. Just I know it promotes hair growth off to the roots, but yeah, I'm just trying to start from the roots. That's all. My hair is washed and clean. So all I just did was apply the mask, left it off for like, yes, I did left it off for like 3 hours before washing it off with deep conditioner. You can actually add your deep conditioner to it, but yeah, I prefer to wash it off and then later apply my deep conditioner to it. It actually works wonders if you actually try it out. Please remember to do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and thanks for watching. God bless you. Till next time, remain blessed.